guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, so it's Thursday, it's keto cocktail time. So without further ado, we're gonna make a hot toddy. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I wanna say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, hot toddy. This is one of those drinks that, this is I think the first hot drink I've done of the season, and it is perfect for today because the high is like 37, so it's very cold. All right, so traditionally there are some ingredients in a hot toddy that are sort of just staples. Hot water, whiskey, lemon, and honey. But we're gonna do a fall apple hot toddy. So the first ingredient is an apple whiskey. This one is Crown Royal. This is an apple whiskey. We need an apple, a little diet cranberry juice, lemon. Of course, got to have a little bit of lemon, a star of anise, and also cinnamon stick. We are going to make it apple cider. This is sugar-free. The only place I see that you can get this is off of Amazon, so that's where I get it. One packet is like 3 carbs for 6 to 8 ounces. We're not even using that amount. Even if we were, that's not a lot considering the traditional is like 3 times that amount. So a little apple cider. Sugar, it's sugar-free and it's actually spiced already. We are going to use the smallest amount of honey because that does have sugar. And then we are going to make a simple syrup. Monk fruit sugar is the one that I use from Truvia. So let's get it. I know it seems like a lot of ingredients, but it's super simple. Normally I'd be shaking all this up, but we're going to the stove, y'all. So let's go. All right, you guys, the glass of choice is a mug. This is a double insulated, and it's actually plastic. So it's a perfect mug to do this. So I'm just gonna set that aside. I've already on the stove have the simple syrup done. I'm actually gonna turn that off. You can see it's nice and crystal clear. That's how you know it's done. It's equal parts monk fruit sugar, equal parts water. Just give it a whisk. Now we're gonna turn this little pot on. Simple as can be. Now I'm gonna make I'm gonna do half of this little dilly dally here. So I'm gonna use about 4 ounces of water. Packet of the apple cider. Whisk. Oh, it smells so yummy. Half an ounce of diet cranberry juice. 2 ounces of apple whiskey. By the way, it smells just like apples. Smells so good, you guys. Half of a lemon. This is such a good little cocktail when you're not feeling good or when it's super cold, which that is today, y'all. Okay, smallest amount of honey. And when I say smallest amount, I literally am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. Literally. It can't get, honestly, it can't get smaller if we tried. Now we're gonna use half an ounce of the simple syrup because I'm only using a touch of the honey. Okay, cinnamon stick. In it goes. Star of anise. Just one little flower. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. In it goes. And while that's doing its little thing, I'm going to take that beautiful red apple. You could use a green apple. I'm just going to make nice tiny little circles. Super thin. I'm going to take just a nice little peel, a little zest of lemon. Little slices And I'm going to put them, our beautiful apple cider cocktail, and I'm going to save the garnishes. In goes the cocktail. Perfect. Now, we're going to give a little zest right on the top. We're going to take that beautiful cinnamon stick, add that, and if you so choose, you could put the star of anise right on the top as well. And there you have it. Gorgeous, right? An apple spiced hot toddy. We are going to serve it with a pretty gold spoon. Just because it's fall, you kind of want to, you know, move your apples around, kind of mix those flavors. All right, let's give it a try. It's really good, you guys. I wouldn't lie to you. That is so yummy. What's wonderful is too with these double insulated mugs, and I will list them for you, is it's warm but not hot. This is hot, but this will keep it warm, but you like actually can hold it with your hands. Plus they're pretty. It's perfect. You wouldn't even know there's 2 ounces of whiskey in here. Because it has that beautiful apple flavor and we're playing off of it with the apple cider and the fresh apples, a hint of cranberry juice to add a little tartness as well as the lemon to add a little tartness. But then you have the sweetness from a little bit of the honey, and you could leave the honey out, by the way, totally. Okay. I'm definitely keeping this one today. My day is done, with the exception of getting this video up for you today. It is done. If you saw my house, y'all, I'm blocking the living room because look, it's a mess. It's nothing. I've got like Christmas stuff ready to go up this week into this weekend. So hopefully next week I'll have it for you. I know some of you do not drink cocktails. So honestly, you could do every single thing. Just take out the whiskey and instead put the whole packet of apple cider in, and you could double the cranberry juice, double the lemon, and just leave the whiskey out. And then you have a really nice fall mocktail, and it would be delicious as well, for sure. And remember, low carb. All right, well, that is it. Spiced apple hot toddy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Cheers, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.